Greetings, everyone. I am Montavious Javar, the family Torrance, and I've finally decided to do a video to give updates and to send out special shoutouts to those who have helped me along the way with this YouTube page. A big shout out to Mark Lester of the family Metz, who has inspired me to do my own independent research and studies in all things legal and law to protect my family and I. Also to Daisy, I'm not sure of your family name, but a big shout out to you and a thank you to you and your family for your loving donations that you have given so that I can continue to post these audiobooks for our listening pleasure. Daisy, she specializes in services such as hypnotherapy, neuro-linguistic programming, moon cycle workshop, and quantum transformational sessions. I really think that I will be benefiting from her sessions the most, simply because from what I've seen, it helps to release a lot of old pain, whether it be from relationships with spouses or with, I guess, like parents. Daisy's website can be found at mooncyclebox.com. I'll put the I'll put the link in the description. Lastly, a shout out to my brothers Chris Donnell of the family Carter and Justin of the family Hatfield for joining me on this journey to provide information to the people. I'm very excited to say that I've finally started my journey on becoming a paralegal. I will be getting my associate's degree instead of the certificate. I can say that I would never have thought about going back to school, but I have an idea for a legal slash lawful investigation business that I would like certain credentials to go along with. Maybe in the future I'll release my business plan or idea, but as of right now, no. I'm currently on my second week of school, and it's okay for right now. I'm in the summer program. I'm in the summer semester, so it's a little high paced. Uh, but with my background, I'll be okay for right now. And I'm getting some questions from people whenever I tell them that I'm deciding to go back to school, and some are asking two different things. Why not just go on YouTube and get everything that you need? Everything is there. Or why not just go work for a law office? And for one, you should probably mind your business. For two, the VA or military benefits that I get pay for my schooling. And three, I need a widely or more widely accredited education system to where I can reference back to where I'm getting my information. So with that being said, it's sort of like comparing a information that's given from like a doctor compared to information that you find on Wikipedia. So, I want the ability to be able to reference back and say things like that, or be able to say, oh, yeah, this comes from this person who did this research, and I agree with it for this reason, blah, 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 rather than saying, oh, I found this on YouTube. And I don't want to be a YouTube scholar. I want to be able to go and get the books that others have had before me. So with that being said, that's why I'm choosing to do schooling. Now I'm hoping that everyone will be able to join me on this venture, and I'm going to be trying to send weekly updates about my school while also still posting these audiobooks. For those who have questions about Christian Walter's information, I'm still trying to find the best place. I have over 100 videos. Thank you for those who have helped me with that. I have over 100 videos of his stuff. I didn't even post everything on this YouTube page, but I'm hoping to be able to transfer it to somewhere else, or be able to just share it with anyone who's asking. And I also have his paperwork, his trust information, and a lot of other things. Thank you to those who have helped me to collect the information. None of this is by myself. I'm not a widely knowledgeable man about everything. I'm more or less simply just someone who has a lot of information at his fingertips. A little background about me is I have a history, or I've gone to school to be an EMT. I've gone to school to be a cosmetologist. I've gone to school to be a personal trainer. And I have history in doing courses in herbs as a herbalist. Now I did all this after I went after my time in the military. And I'm hoping that I can finally, that this will be my last area of trying to help people with useful information and to help them to get out of any of the ruts that they're in. What really was the inspiration for me to try to do something like this was my brother who went to prison. This is me trying to find the best way that he can help himself, being able to inform him, using things like the proper way to use the writ of habeas corpus, the writ of certiorari, or the writ of mandamus, or using a list of different things or methods to be able to help people to protect themselves. I am inspired by the old Black Panthers who taught the people to study the law to protect themselves. And I think during that time we were more intelligent in those areas, and now we just know things at face value rather than actual getting in-depth knowledge, so that we can stay out of prisons and stay out of the hands of police. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to continuing providing information. Shalom.